use this Xiaomi Auto Spatial cable with our XTOOL device. Then we can diagnose this Xiaomi SUV car. Let's do it.
At the beginning, we need to power the vehicle off. First, you'll need to locate the services. Then, scroll all the way down below. After that, you can power off your EV. Yes. Okay, the first step is to remove the triangular cover. Then the biggest decorative cover, and then we need to remove the cover below the glove box. In the end, the last step is to take out the glove box. Then we have successfully configured and exposed the ports, microcontroller units, and related hardware. Here is a very important notice that never try to unplug this and this. They're in charge of the lighting inside the glove box. If you've unplugged it and then plugged it back in, when you power on your EV, it simply won't light up anymore. So, before we connect the dedicated cables, the first step is to carefully remove this protective cover and then gently unplug the original connectors that are currently linked with the car's computer system. Here is a very important notice that if you are not sure about the order of the two plugs, you can refer to the original order like this. As we can see now, we are placing the two plugs in the wrong order, so we need to rectify it. Yes, like this, and plug it in. The two male plugs of our dedicated cable has successfully been plugged in. Now we need to connect the female PO ports of our dedicated cable with the original male plugs. As we can observe here, there is also a very distinct and specific order between them like this. This has now successfully been integrated and plugged in. Now press on the brake pedal to power it on. Now plug in the cigarette lighter cable. It's located here. Okay.
Now we can see there are two lanes. Different lanes stand for different models, OBD-CON1 and OBD-CON2. So today we'll use this OBD-CON1 to test it. First, we can connect the OBD with the VCI. Also, we need to insert this 12-volt LAN to supply the power. Okay, finished. Now you can see this LAN is the LE08. Okay, let's do it. First, you need to make sure the internet is connected, and then we can click the diagnostic. Then we can choose the Xiaomi Auto. Yeah, this one is right. Now you can see it shows the character function need to be used with Xiaomi Auto Mobile Spatial Test Cable LE07 and LE08. Now the LAN we just connected is the LE08. Also, we need to contact the local dealer to purchase the activate code. Later, we will use our code to activate this function.
准备开始。
Okay, let's do it. And now we can click our activate code to enter.
准备开始。
Okay, finished. Activation successful. Okay. And now we can click the Xiaomi SU7. This is the car model. You can see there are several steps for how to use the Xiaomi spatial cable. This is we just showed before. You can to see the detailed information. Now, okay, let's do the next. Okay. Then we can choose the OBD1. This is the LAN we just connect. And click the automatic scan. You can see it's doing the full system diagnosis. This is the topology. There are so many focals, as you can see. Now we can choose any one of them, like this. Diagnose. There are some functions you can use. Let's click the left data. Okay, you can see the detailed information about the diagnosis. Then it's all. For other informations, you can just to click by yourself. Have you got it? If you have any questions, just leave a comment below.